Here we have a Tekna model TK446 3-axis CNC machining center, and we're going to demonstrate the fabrication of a commercial storefront door lock style today. Our demonstration will be utilizing a program made in SLW or self-learning software. This is the most basic software available for our machines. When SLW is launched, the operator is first prompted to confirm or change any variables used in the program. In this case, length, as relates to door height, is the only variable used in the program. Once the variables are entered, we close the screen, send the information to the machine, and then press the Start button. Upon execution of the program, the operator is prompted to confirm the profile orientation as it is loaded into the machine. In addition to standard milling and drilling operations, all Tekna CNC machining centers are also capable of combined drill and tap operations, as shown here. When it is necessary to change the position of or rotate the profile, the machine pauses, and on screen the operator is prompted to turn the profile and in which direction.